Okay guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're just doing a simple oil change on this Generac Guardian Series all-weather generator. This is built into the property, so it can't be moved. If you can hear it, but there's kind of a storm brewing in the background. It looks real sunny there, and right back there it's all nasty. Okay, now let's get going on this. To be honest, this repair is going to require almost zero tools at all. Maybe a funnel if you need one. So lift the top, pull off the panel. Get you up in here. Bam, here we go. So, first things first, we just slightly undo this oil drain mechanism, and we're going to drain it into this cup here, which we'll dispose of later. So, open it up. Easy as pie. And put it down low, and then open this to bring air flowing through. Now, as you can see, the oil is draining, so we'll open this more, drain it, and come back to you. Drained, and we're right up here. We got it back up. So now what we're going to do is we're going to remove the oil filter, and it might leak a little bit. I loosened it off camera. Yep, it's leaking a little bit. Not a big deal. We'll take our cup. Yeah, okay. It's just the oil from the oil filter. Just dip that in our cup there. Okay, guys. Now, the easy final part. Let's zoom out so we can see the whole kit and caboodle. We're going to take our new oil filter. There's the numbers for this specific Generac engine here. So the model number on this one is going to be QJ9322, and the oil filter you need is a ST3614. It cost me $3. So very first thing I always do is I like to prime the oil filter by pouring a little bit of oil up in it. Some people do this, some people don't. I do it. I stir it around in there. I don't fill it up. I fill it up only about halfway. And then we're going to put it on. And we're going to tighten it like that. Now, all we got to do to finish the job is take our handy dandy funnel, put it in the top part where we put the oil, and fill it with some oil. I'm putting 10W30 in here. Really good oil for these generators. Put a little bit of oil, let it fall down, then we'll check the dipstick. And we'll let it go more. We're right there at the full. Just double check it one more time. And we're good to go. She is good to go. I added a little extra pass full just because it has to fill up the oil filter a little bit. But other than that, when she's ready to, when this customer is ready to use this thing, it's going to be more than ready to go. With solar power, she normally doesn't use this. So, on the next time I come down, that's what I'm going to change her spark plugs in her her air filter. I just did that 3 months ago, and she used it a few times during the winter, so it was time for a quick oil change. Now we're going to put the side panel back on. It locks into place. I did not put that on that good. I'll fix that. But other than that, thank you for watching. How to repair this Generac here. I really appreciate it if you guys subscribe, hit that like button, and comment down below if you want to see anything else. Have a good one.